On our last outing, I noticed that the hot water wasn't working. So I came in here yesterday and made sure I had power on both sides of my switch. So the switch is working. So we're going to go outside and take a look, see what we can find out. I came out here to the outside and started probing around with my electric meter. The power comes in off of this brown wire, comes down here to a thermostat, which is a very weak thermostat. It just sits up against the side of the tank. But I have 12 volts going in, I have continuity through the thermostat, and it comes out this side, and I got my 12 volts going in here to this control board. Now it said, there's a sticker right here, let me move it out of the way. There's a sticker right there that says make sure you clean the connections before replacing the board, and blah 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 blah. So I pulled the plug off, cleaned the connections in here, and I still don't have any power coming out, and I have failed ignition. So I'm going to mess around a little bit more and see if maybe it's going to have to be this board. If the 12 volts going in and I don't have 12 coming out to fire the gas valve, it's got to be either a connection issue or a board failure. So I've put everything back together the way it should be. My little thermocouples here are lopsided, but with a little tomfoolery, I can get the gas valve to open, so I know it's working. I can get the spark, the igniter, to ignite. I can't do them both at the same time, but everything's pointing back to this board right here, and of course the part number scrubbed off the side of it. But I got my power going in and nothing else is happening. I'm going to try to get out the owner's manual. Maybe it can enlighten me a little bit more on what's going on here. But I'm going to try to find a part number for this board and maybe order a new one. These connections are so corroded, all of this needs redone. I mean, it's a 97 model, so of course it's going to be a little dirty. But the season's almost over, so I don't know how much more troubleshooting I'm going to do, but I could pre-buy the parts for it, get some new wire and some connectors, make up the wires myself. These thermocouples, they are so weak. They just sit in this slot and then press up against the side of the tank. And they don't even hold in there very well at all. They're terrible. I would definitely have something a little better than that. But there might be a part 2 to this video because this is not done. I'm not finished here. I was hoping it was just this connection right here, but I'm not getting any results with connection cleaning. There's even a warning label here that says before you replace board, check your connections. And all these stickers are wore out and hard to read, and I know nothing about RV hot water tanks, but we'll see if part 2 coming up will be able to help us have hot water. Smile for YouTube, puppet. Oh, he wants to go up in the driver's seat. That's my captain's chair. Yeah, it's a shame we didn't get it out more often this year. Let's go look in the mirror. My tool bag.